Hey guys, welcome to my channel Disguised Chef. It's Sunday today and it calls for a Sunday binge. I was craving to eat something cheesy from last 3-4 days and thought of preparing pizza today, and why not, I would share this recipe with you guys as well so that you can also prepare pizza at your home and enjoy it with your family. Starting with ingredients, very important ingredient, pizza base. I have bought this from market. Second is cheese. In comparison to mozzarella cheese, I think this cheese gives better taste, so personally I prefer this cheese. 2 to 3 cubes of this cheese would be required, Amul cheese. Toppings are an individual's choice, so you can choose whatever toppings you like. So today I am taking onion, capsicum, paneer and sweet corns. So these are the toppings which I am going to use today. Apart from that, we would need a spoon of butter, oregano, mayonnaise, some ketchup. Also, if you have green chutney, if you like green chutney, you can use it to give some added flavor. So come, let's start preparing. First of all, let's prepare the toppings. Take a spoon of butter, little bit of oregano, and then keep your toppings one by one and roast them a little. Starting with cheese. So after approximately 1 minute, this will get roasted and it will get a very nice light golden color. So once it's done, you can remove it and similarly add all the other vegetables together, and then again roast them for 30 seconds to 1 minute and our toppings would be done. So rest of the vegetables in the same leftover butter and oregano for almost 1 minute, and these are also done. Let's start preparing the pizza base. Adding little bit of mayonnaise, ketchup. So due to lockdown, I was not able to get pizza and pasta sauce. So this is another way to make your base super tasty. Adding little bit of ketchup, and I personally like green flavor a lot, mint flavor a lot, so I'm adding little bit of green chutney over it. Green chutney. Mix all of this well. On the base itself and spread it nicely all over the base. If in case you want it to be more cheesy, you can add a little bit of more mayonnaise on the base. So this is done. Now I will grate cheese over it. So now going to grate cheese over the whole base. So like this, it should be covered with grated cheese. Now it's time to add the toppings. Adding toppings, spreading them randomly. And we are done. Now it's time to grate little bit of cheese on the top and keep it for baking. Before grating the last set of cheese over the pizza, simultaneously you need to turn on the convection mode and preheat the oven. Last set of cheese, very little on the top, and we'll keep it for baking. And here goes our pizza. We'll set the temperature, and you can set it for 14 to 15 minutes and simultaneously keep monitoring. It should turn light golden. Base should turn light golden. So the crust has turned golden brown and your pizza is ready. oregano on the top, and it's good to go. Oh yummy! Pizza is ready. I can't wait to eat this pizza overloaded with cheese, capsicum, corn and my favorite onion. Do try this recipe at your home. Try this pizza, enjoy with your family, and do let me know how was the taste for you. Do watch all my other videos. Do try these recipes and keep sharing me the pictures of the recipes that you try, and tag me on Instagram by the name of Disguised Chef. And till then, enjoy such delights and stay safe. Goodbye from Disguised Chef.